My name is Chrissy Skydenser, and I want to give you the ultimate guide to save real money. So let's start. After years of Second Life, you found or find your way to sort your inventory. Today, I want to talk about an additional image option. That option gives you the opportunity to set up a picture on every object or folder. So every folder that went into my inventory gets on site the picture. It helped me a lot to choose my daily outfit. The process is easy. Right-click the folder and then click Image. You get a pop-up. You have three options to select the picture. Upload from your computer, use a snapshot tool, or pick a texture from your inventory. I recommend the snapshot tool and the texture picker. I mostly extract the items I bought on site. Click on the Recent tab. Choose your items. Extract it. Right-click on a new upcoming folder. Click on Image. Move camera in place. Use the snapshot tool. And save. Give it some time and enjoy the growing overview. So with that method, you just not read your inventory. You can actually see your inventory. I find my items quicker and don't buy twice. When you ask me, it's a real money saver when you don't buy similar things over and over again.